Hello, Heartfelt families. Happy Friday. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, for our practice, we will be breathing with vowel sounds. So if you don't know what vowel sounds are yet, these are the sounds of A, E, I, O, and U. These are letter sounds and we call them vowels. And so we're going to be making the sounds we'll do them one at a time. And so we'll start with the A sound and we'll say ah, and then eh, and e, o, and oo. Those are the sounds we'll be making today. So you can practice them right now. Ah, e, o, oo. All right, so after you've tried those out, we're gonna turn them into a breathing practice. So we're gonna start out as usual by gently closing our eyes, and you're gonna hear the sound of the bell. And once the sound of the bell has ended, then we'll begin our vowel breathing. So let's gently close our eyes, and here is the bell. Taking a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. And our first vowel sound is going to be the A, so it's going to say ah. So we're going to take a deep breath in through our nose, go. And as we're breathing out, we're going to make the sound ah. So ah, until all your breath is out. Now we're going to be doing A is the next one. So deep breath in through your nose. And till all your breath is out. Now another deep breath in through your nose, and our next song is going to be E. So deep breath in, and E. Till all your breath is out. And next will be O. So deep breath in through your nose, and O, till all your breath is out. And our last one is the sound oo. So deep breath in through your nose, and ooh, till all your breath is out. Now we'll take one last big deep breath in and out together, and we'll end our practice. So in through your nose, and breathing out, bring a smile to your face. Beautiful. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Have a wonderful rest of your day.